Hello everyone, welcome back to a upcycle project for this week. We have rock mosaic art scenes this week. So what you're going to need for this project is you are going to need a piece of cardboard cut to any size you like. You're going to need some white rocks, some brown rocks, or any rock of your choice. You can find them outside. You can get them at the store if you want. If you want a special type of rock, you can do that too. And you are going to need to search in your backyard for sticks to break, okay? And you need some super duper tacky glue. I have the quick dry variety. And what else? Oh, maybe some yellow paint for the centers. So I have a little bit of yellow paint that I use. Okay, so first off, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your sticks and break them apart. And you're gonna design it on your board with a little bit of glue. So you're gonna put the glue down, stick your stick on any way you want. You are going to put glue on this end of your stick for the center of your flower, and you might want to decide on the center ahead of time so you can kind of fine-tune it a little bit. And then you're going to put more glue around the outside with great care. You're going to need a lot of it because rocks are kind of heavy, so you need a lot of glue to hold up those rocks. Now I did this morning with the quick dry tacky glue, and it literally dried within 10 minutes. It was still a little bit loose, but it dried really fast. Now I thought maybe you could write a little message up top, maybe something like, "Stop and smell the flowers," something like that. That would be a nice little gift for someone. So I also did a more extreme version where I did a nice base with rocks on the bottom, and I did 2 flowers, and I actually painted the center of each one a nice bright yellow for Daisy. And it really wasn't very hard, and I think this would be really fun to do. I did cut the edges of the cardboard. You can also use wood if you have wood around that you might want to use. It would make a nice little decoration. You could actually attach some cording on the back so you could hang it on the wall if you wanted to. I did not do that today. But that's it. It's pretty easy. What I'm going to do for a final touch is I like to do a little finish on mine. So, little shiny finish. So I have a little bit of Mod Podge here, and I'll show you what that looks like. You can get it just about anywhere. And it adds a little bit of extra shine to the rock surfaces, plus it protects it. And you're going to want to do that with any project that you do that involves painting rocks. Now I pre-painted these rocks, and I'll tell you it took me like 3 coats, so you're gonna have to do that ahead of time. But if you like the more natural look, you don't even have to do this part. You can just skip it. You can do a totally natural scene, which I kind of like too. But I think this might be really kind of nice to give your mom for Mother's Day, or to decorate your wall. I think it'll look really cute. So I hope you enjoyed this video today, and I hope that you try this at home. And I did want to mention that I found these white rocks, I believe, a while ago at the dollar store. And I think they're really made for the inside of a fish tank maybe, or something like that, or maybe in the yard. But you can find them just about anywhere. Lowe's has some rocks, and different craft stores have them as well. So try this, and you're gonna love it. Whoever happens to see it's gonna love it. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and come back and see us sometime. And if you happen to try the rock mosaic art, make sure you share it on our Facebook page along with this post. And thanks so much for watching today, and have a great day, everybody.